Hello, today I will be crocheting this scarf which measures 60 inches long, not including the fringe, and 10 inches wide. It has a ribbed texture on both sides, and this scarf is actually quite easy to crochet. The yarn that I will use is Lollipop by Universe. This yarn is 20% wool and 80% acrylic. This color is color number 26. The recommended hook size for this yarn is 6 millimeters, and that's what I will be using. I want to say a huge thank you to my viewer, Georgina from Bakersfield, California, who sent me this lovely yarn. The multiple for this stitch is 17 plus 1, and for my scarf I start with 35 chains. 1, 2, 3. Here I have 35 chains, and the first row is very simple. It's going to be a row of single crochets. Into the second chain from the hook I make my first single crochet. We never count the chain on the hook, we always start counting from the next one. 1, 2. So over here I make a single crochet, and now I make a single crochet into each chain across. Here is my first row, and here I have 34 single crochets. I start row 2 with 3 chains, and they will count as my first double crochet. All the following rows I will work into the back loop only. So into the back loop of the very first single crochet, inserting the hook right here, I work a double crochet. So now it counts as I have 2 stitches worked into the first single crochet, and into each one of the next 2 stitches I work 2 double crochets, and again I insert the hook under the back loop only. One, and into the same stitch 2, and 2 double crochets into the next single crochet, inserting the hook under the back loop only. 1, 2. So far I have 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I skip next single crochet and I work a double crochet into the next one. And again, I only work into the back loops. Again, I skip the next single crochet and I work a double crochet into the next one. And I do it a total of 5 times. I skip the next single crochet and I work a double crochet. I skip the next and I work a double crochet into the next one. So that's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I do it one more time. Now I skip the next single crochet, and into the next one I will work 2 double crochets. 1, 2. And now into each one of the next 5 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, into each one of them I will work 2 double crochets. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, and one more time. 1, 2. So I should have a total of 12 double crochets over here after I skipped this single crochet right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And now the pattern begins to repeat from here. I skip the next single crochet, and into the next one I work a double crochet. Again, I skip the next single crochet, and into the next one I work a double crochet. Skip the next one, into the next one I work a double crochet, and I do it a total of 5 times. One, two, three, four, 5. I skip the next single crochet, and I have 3 single crochets left, and into each one of these last 3 single crochets I will work 2 double crochets. 1, 2. Into the next one, 1, 2, and into the last one also 2 double crochets. 1, 2. And this is my first row, and in this row the total of double crochets is 36 double crochets. I turn my work, and the next row, row number 3, is very simple. It's going to be a row of single crochets, and I will work them into the back loops. So I turn my work and I start with 1 chain, and then into this very first double crochet, into the back loop only, I insert the hook and I work a single crochet. And now I work a single crochet into each stitch across. And now all I need to do is to repeat rows 2 and 3 for the pattern. Here, let me show you more rows finished, and this is what the pattern is gonna look like. And it is ribbed on both sides. I crocheted the scarf 60 inches long, and I have a bit of yarn left, so I'm attaching fringe. I cut the yarn into strands 11 inches long. Then I take one at a time, fold it in half, and I attach yarn into each stitch. I use a smaller size hook just because it's more convenient, and that's how I make the fringe. And as I said, I'm attaching it into each stitch.